Yeah, you say them boy they from Mountain View look for somebody. Watch yourself, youth.
Me your uncle. I keep my head low.
Good. Now make them catch you slack, yeah?
Respect.
Me know in no war, man. Me just want to left the road alone. Alright.
Take me here, said trouble a brew. What you really up to?
Nothing, ma. Just trying to keep at it, you know?
Me hope so.
Mama, I want to drop the badness. I can't manage it no more.
So drop it. You think you're born with a gun in your hand?
It not that easy.
Nine! You're late. Again.
Yeah. I know, Miss D.
Me there, miss. Me try. Life rough.
Me know. But the picnic them need a man where them can look up to. You could have been that.
Take 9. Come kick a bonus. Stop look serious like you're the court.
Sure. Your mouth lowly, man. Aye. Let me show you something.
Alright. Alright.
Tech, me hear you want change your life.
Yeah. Me ready, Pops.
Sure.
Me tired for bury my friend them, Pops.
I know, my son. But you're still here. Means you can choose different. Me did the deep in the badness too. But a choice me make. You have to choose to step out.
Yeah. Me hear you.
And if the Don don't like that choice?
I'm gonna test you. But real men stand firm. You can't serve two master. See there? That could be you.
Take 9. My boss say him want see you.
Tell him I'm done with that life, brother.
Feel what?
Ha! I don't ask my boss no questions. Move.
Me done with the road razor.
Dan, you think a supermarket job you clock out from? Youth, your property.
When I go back in on a war, aye, we are ghosty. Don't know like deserter.
Tech 9. Me say you want left me organization.
Me done with the life done. Time for me change.
Yes, boss. I want to focus on the program for the youth them.
Hear this? Bossman turn social worker.
Tech, I rate you. But nobody walk out upon me. Do one last work for me. I'ma deal with you.
No more blood on my hand.
Miss Marva, them want kill me. Easy, man. Breathe. Look at me. We're gonna fix this, yeah? Nobody touching you tonight. You sure, Miss Marva? I sure. Trust me. Now hold your head high.
How, Miss Marsha? Tell me how.
With the community, not gun. That's the way, yeah?
Listen to her, brethren. Peace is the stronger road.
Already called Pastor Henry. Him a come. We are going to talk to the people and free up the place.
Them start shoot again. We have to protect the kids. Not with violence, Tech.
We come here tonight to break chains and free this community.
Yes, Pastor.
Don't see meeting done. Take 9 for dead. Easy now. Think, man. Think. Razor! I'm me and you. Lead the people out of this.
Step out then.
Last chance, Tech.
No gun. Man to man.
You mad?
Me not kill for nobody again. Then help me change things.
9. The community ready for back you?
You make the choice. That's a real bravery.
Me with the movement too. Me tired, yeah man.
Time for free up August Town.
Them try to lock me spirit in a Babylon jail, but me soul can't capture me, no bow, me not frail. No chance